Welcome to SnapRide, Australia's trusted rideshare app, built to make every trip smooth, safe and simple. Ready to ride? Log in if you're already with us, or sign up using your email to get started with your journey in minutes. Create your account in seconds. Enter your email address and set a secure password, or sign up using your Apple ID or Google account. Then tap Sign Up to continue. To help you connect with nearby drivers and ensure accurate ride tracking, SnapRide requires access to your location. With one tap on Allow, your ride becomes smoother and stress-free. Now, let's complete your profile. Add your name, number and email to set up your SnapRide account. Tap Verify to confirm your details stay safe with SnapRide. To keep your account secure, a one-time password will be sent to your number. Enter it here and tap Verify code. Quick, easy and safe. Once your account is verified, you'll land on the SnapRide home screen, your hub for every journey. At the top, enter your destination in the Where To bar. Next, begin by setting your pickup location for a smooth start. Planning for someone else? Easily book a ride for them directly from your app. For quicker bookings, save your frequent addresses and easily select them anytime. Need to make more than one stop? Start by adding multiple destinations to your trip. Then enter your drop-off address, or select it on the map to guide your driver directly to the right spot. Choose the ride that fits your trip. SnapRide offers a range of vehicles to match your needs, from everyday rides to premium and spacious options. Choose what suits you best, and you're ready to go. Choose how you'd like to pay. Add money to your e-wallet and pay directly, or add a card. You can even save your card details for faster payments in the future, all secured with trusted protection. As soon as the driver accepts your booking, you'll see their details and live location on the map, along with an accurate ETA. You can also use the in-app call or chat option to connect with your driver for any ride-related communication. To start your ride, provide your driver with the OTP shown in your app. Once verified, your ride begins, and you can track in real time until you reach your destination. Once you've reached your destination, your payment is processed securely. To appreciate your driver's service, you can leave a quick rating, share feedback, or add a tip after your ride. Thank you for riding with SnapRide. From booking to drop-off, we're committed to making every trip smooth, secure, and stress-free.